for some pattern in their properties on the basis which could be studied such a large number of elements with case. Okay, now next is the नीड फॉर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स कि हमें एलिमेंट्स को क्लासीफाई करने की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी बिकॉज देर आर ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ डिस्कवरी ऑफ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स सो इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू ऑर्गेनाइज दैम सो most easy method to arrange these elements, we classify these elements into metals and non-metals. Now making order out of Joe's early attempt at the classification of elements. So earliest attempt to classify the elements resulted in grouping them then non-elements as a metal and non-metal. First of all, we classify the element into metals and non-metals, further classify them into triads according to their properties. First is the Duvernier traits. Okay, according to Duvernier traits, we classify the elements with in groups of 3 elements on the basis of their similar properties. Okay, in with Duvernier traits in which we classify the 3 elements on the basis of their similar properties. Okay, and these 3 elements are arranged in their increasing atomic mass. Okay, so the atomic mass of the middle element is roughly an average of the atomic mass of other 2 elements. ओके, डुवर्नियर ट्रेट के अकॉर्डिंग हमने 3 एलिमेंट्स को ग्रुप में अरेंज किया जिसमें जो मिडिल एलिमेंट है उसका जो मास है वो दो जो बाकी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनकी एवरेज मास के अकॉर्डिंग है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक ए एग्जांपल ऑफ लिथियम, पोटाशियम and the mass of sodium is the average of these 2 elements. Okay, so there are some limitation of this Duvernier trait. He could not identify only the other all known elements. He only identify only 3 traits. Okay, ऑफ ओनली 3 एलिमेंट्स के ट्रेड्स ही बना सका है. इसने सभी एलिमेंट्स के जो ट्रेड्स हैं वो नहीं फाइंड आउट कर पाया है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज द न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स in which all the elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic mass. Okay, so and the law of octaves means the mass of the 8th element has similar property to the first element, so that's why it called laws of octaves. octaves mean 8. जो आपका 8th एलिमेंट है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी जो है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से मिलती है, सिमिलर है. ओके, सो in which it contained the element from hydrogen to thorium. The property of every 8th element was similar to that of first element. Okay, see in this table, this is the hydrogen, its atomic number is 1, fluorine is the atomic number 9. It means 8, the difference of 8 elements. So the hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, all these elements have difference of 8 number. So all these elements are arranged in a one group and they have similar properties. Okay, so there are some limitations of found in the law of octaves. It applicable only up to calcium element तक ही applicable, उसके आगे नहीं. So after calcium every 8th element did not possess the property similar to that of first. Okay, it was assumed by Newland that only 56 elements exist in nature and no more elements would be discovered in the future. But later on, several new elements were discovered whose properties did not fit into the law of octaves. Okay, जो बाकी एलिमेंट्स उन्होंने सिर्फ कैल्शियम तक की जो प्रॉपर्टी है फर्स्ट और एर्थ एलिमेंट की वो मैच करती हैं, उसके आगे जो डिस्कवर हुए एलिमेंट उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो है वो मैच नहीं करती हैं. सो इन ऑर्डर टू फिट एलिमेंट इनटू दिस टेबल, Newland adjusts two elements in the same slot but also puts some unlike element under the same node. Cannot find an example of these. So cobalt and nickel are also placed in same slot. They are placed in the same slot. These are placed in the same column as a fluorine, chlorine, bromine, which have a different properties than these element. Iron, which resemble with cobalt and nickel in properties, so has been placed far away from these elements. So the Newland law of octaves work well with lighter elements. जो न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स है वो लाइटर एलिमेंट्स के साथ वर्क करता है. उसने सिर्फ लाइटर एलिमेंट्स जो लाइट वेटेड एलिमेंट्स है उनको डिस्कवर किया है. नेक्स्ट is the Mendeleev's periodic table. According to Mendeleev periodic table, it arranges all the elements according to their atomic masses, and they have all elements have chemical properties. They are arranged in a same column. Okay, so the main credit for classification of these elements goes to demerits of Levonch Mendeleev's Russian chemist. Okay, according to this Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev arranged all the 63 known elements in order of increasing their atomic masses. The table contains some vertical columns. See here, table contains some vertical columns is called groups. These are called groups, vertical column, and these horizontal rows are called periods. According to Mendeleev's periodic table, there are six column and 8 periods. 6 group, 8 period. Okay, the element with the similar physical and chemical properties under a same group. Those elements have similar chemical properties. They are arranged in a same group. So there are some achievement of Mendeleev's periodic table that are in which we easily study the physical and chemical property of the various element. He adjusts the element with a slightly greater atomic mass. Okay, in Mendeleev periodic table, all the elements are arranged according to their atomic masses. Those elements have similar properties. They could be grouped together. जिन एलिमेंट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज सिमिलर है उनको हमने एक ही ग्रुप में रखा हुआ है, जिनकी अलग है उनको हमने सिमिलर डिफरेंट ग्रुप में रखा हुआ है. ठीक है. So the gases like helium, neon, argon, which are discovered later. Okay, जो गैसेस हैं, नोबल गैसेस हैं, उनको बाद में डिस्कवर किया गया है और उनको हमने जो है वो नेक्स्ट ग्रुप में जो है वो रखा हुआ है ताकि जो बाकी टेबल है वो डिस्टर्ब ना हो सके. दूसरे एलिमेंट को जो हमने टेबल में प्लेस किया हुआ है उसमें डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट ना हो. ओके, so there are some limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. There is a no fixed position of hydrogen. See here, hydrogen placed in first position. It shows some properties of metals and non-metals. So there is no fixed position of hydrogen in Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table, in which the positions of isotopes of all elements was not certain according to Mendeleev's periodic table. in which atomic mass did not increase in a regular manner in going from one element to next. ठीक है, इसमें एटॉमिक मास जो है वो रेगुलर मैनर में इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहा है. There are some limitations in Mendeleev's periodic table. The another new table discovered by Henry Moseley is a scientist. He discovered a modern periodic table. Okay, so we will discuss about in next video this table. Okay.